Earlier, a lot of trees were axed inside Chandi Devi temple. Now, thousands of trees are cut down, 100 meters adjacent to that temple. A lot of Chinese LED lights were installed inside the temple, which was intentionally given to a trust. So that the common people will become accustomed to deforestation. Now Chandi Mandir railway station and temple will be promoted as recent development through these kind of tree cutting. When illiterate citizens will watch these temples on the SUVs while traveling towards Shimla, Manali, JB, Ott, Beas and other hill stations where people are suffering because of flash floods, soil erosion and other kinds of man-made natural calamities. Crushers are also being installed on national highway for illegal mining activities so that illiterate Indians will applaud these kind of achievements to deforestation because they hate environment, and that's the attribute these people are utilizing for mutual gains. And whenever Chinese air conditioned Volvo buses will pass through these areas, they will definitely applaud amplifiers and other imported products, and then they rant that as indigenous efforts, while I am not able to get hub of the bicycle because it can't be manufactured in India, due to which I am ready to sell another bicycle for bearing cost of that import, so that my Waltz bicycle summit, which is also named as environmental summit by that Chinese company, who will definitely boycott all kind of measures. And when presidential candidates used to say anything about climate change, their videos are banned. As soon as I will slow down the bicycle near any main gate, they will become so alert as if any foreign intruder has trespassed the area. But they are in fact waiting for these kind of flashes who will cut down all the trees. They have started the process 2 years ago, and when environment friendly people like us used to argue about one or two stems with the gardener, they are shameless people destroying the environment. So I have reached the Chandi Devi temple. I am not entering the premises because I hate to promote Chinese LED lights. Moreover, when the process of deforestation has started, I don't want myself to get indulged in promotional activities, because future generation will think that this place was not possible. And when private companies and construction companies noticed isolated tourism potential places of interest, then only they started cutting down trees. But on the other hand, this is an ancient temple developed during 1962, and just because they wanted it to be promoted as recently developed, they are cutting down all the trees on the national highway, so that those who have not noticed this place will also applaud and chant in their favor. Even those houses which are constructed 5 or 6 years ago are intentionally broken down through hammers by the owners, so that all the environmental groups will treat them as ancient homes of priests who lived thousands of years ago, and gradually they will take hold of the trespassing properties. When the engine will pass through that barrier, it will be opened. The barrier has enough space for the bicycle, and I didn't took any risk. So today's bicycling trip has been spoiled completely. I have abandoned visit to any kind of sightseeing place. I am pointing towards this river, which is also filled with garbage and other kind of pebbles as a result of illegal sign mining activities which are going on. But that was not my plan. I will return back in few minutes. I don't used to tow away these kind of damaged vehicles, so that illiterate citizens will assume that this place was never inhabited and never visited by any tourist for the nearby wildlife sanctuaries, and from hundreds of years the ignored local people will definitely feel very happy and satisfied upon tree cutting another kind of development because of deprived educational and important grocery objects and means of transport. They were fed up of their lives. And can you imagine that no one has taken away those vehicles also, which are kept here from about 99 years, and you can see the position of the flowing river. And the excuse of flash floods will definitely be utilized for more deforestation. Garbage has been intentionally thrown by the pickup vans and trucks so that shortage of those vehicles will be proven in documents and more funds will be utilized as bribe and commissions. This bridge was constructed in 1994, about 20 years. That should be proven through deforestation by those flashes. Instead of maintaining the area, so more and more trees are cut down around these isolated green areas. Then only they will manage to promote themselves as righteous, and illiterate citizens will definitely applaud that as achievements. In 29 years, the road should not have been damaged to such extent because it was not maintained. But they will defend the tree cutting in the meantime. After getting food packed at that restaurant, I am returning back on my bicycle. I had started mapping and ride also, but it was discarded. मैं वो खाना ले आया हूँ.